Well, good morning everyone. As you already you have entered through the news, there is a problem with the latest update. Xiaomi that goes from MIL 14 to HyperOS. And the only way to get out of the loop, then be delete all data and to access that menu, because what we have what to do is press the button power and volume 4. Upstairs I wait for it to vibrate. Release and we will enter the menu. And then what we would have to do. Now it is with the volume button we move down or up and in. In my case the only thing that has worked for me is been to delete all Wipedata. Data we will press and we will click wipe all data. I hope it is of help to you in a greeting. Well, and most importantly remember that you lose everything, so if it helps, then leave a like and subscribe.